Ofada sauce, my secret recipe that is better than your grandma's. And by the way, this is a Nigerian authentic recipe. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this amazing Ofada sauce recipe. Let's get cooking. In a pot you're going to add your red oil, and then we're just going to cover this and allow it to sit between 15 to 12 minutes on a medium heat because we have to bleach it. After that, I'm just going to add my protein to this, that I'm going to fry my protein inside the oil because we need to lose flavor to our oil. Next step, we're just going to add our onion, allow it to saute for some seconds before we go in with our grated pepper, tomato, tatashi, and shombo. Mind you, it must not be smooth at all. Your pepper mix must not be smooth. Next step is to add our Locust beans, also known as iru to this, and then we're just going to mix. Then after that, we're just going to add our cow skin to this, which is our Pomo. Stir together for a bit. And then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit between 15 to 20 minutes on a low heat. After that, this is what we have. So I'm just going to add my seasoning cube to this, and then I'm just going to stir it. Next step is to add our boiled egg. You can't have your Ofada without your boiled eggs. And then we're just going to add our protein to this. And this is a combination of our Offals and our cow meats. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit for another 5 to 7 minutes. If you want to know if your pepper mix is ready, can you see all the oil are going to come up a bit, and there will be no moisture in this compared to how it looks like the first time. The next step is to add our fish to this. That's our panla fish. At this stage, we're just going to mix this until it is well and properly combined. Feel free to add more onion, that sliced onion, if you wish, but for me, I'm okay. And at this stage, I will always advise you to taste your food in order to adjust its seasoning. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit for just 2 to 3 minutes. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. I just stirred together, and all we had to do is just to serve. So in case you're wondering what the secret ingredient is, the secret ingredient is your oil. You need to bleach your oil properly, and then I will always advise you to fry your protein inside your oil. This way it gives it a different taste entirely. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. And by the way, in case you're wondering what I paired my Ofada sauce recipe with, I guess you know that already. I paired it with our Ofada rice. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. And I can't wait to see your tags and receive them. Bye.